Yo, 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 what is up, guys? Andy here, back again with another recap. Today's a little bit late because I completely forgot to do it since, just came out of a 3-day weekend pretty much. So, yeah, completely forgot that, that's something that I do here. So, let's go ahead and see what trades I took today on my evals first. So let's see. I made $250 today, and that was from two little scalps that I did on NQ. So the first one was right at open. Let's see. Where's open? 6:30. Right here, I think. No. I remember the candle. There we go. So yeah, this was the first trade that I took right here. I saw that we had a little huge down wick on NQ at open. So as soon as price came down to the 9 EMA or the 21 EMA, my bad, I got in longs right here, and I scalped. And I scalped about $130 right here. The profit was like over 300, and it started coming down, and I got a little spooked, unfortunately, and yeah, I only was able to scalp $130 down here. And then the next trade, it came right here. I entered here off of this down wick, off of this candle, and then price came down about 10 points, a little bit more than 10 points, and then 13 points. It started coming back up a little bit, so I took another $120 right there. So that was a 6 point, and then this was another 6, so that was $240 right there, or $250 right there, off of this trade and this trade. The move was down today, and my target was London lows here, but the buying pressure was really strong today, right? So we came back up and we kept testing this level right here and then coming back down. And yeah, I did not want to hold a contract through how much drawdown is this? 92. That's 40, 50. That's 56, 52. No, 62. Yeah, this is 96, right? 92 or 91 to 34. Oh my god, that's 57 points of drawdown. That's like close to my loss limit. And I did not want to hold through all of that. I just wanted to be a quick in and out today. So these were decent scalps, not the best, because I could have held this one for longer and had a bigger win because I entered right here and price went up all the way over here before it started coming down again. So as soon as price, was up a little bit and then it came back down, I was like, fuck, scared. So because it was the first trade. I just took the small win, and then I saw another one, and yeah. So I took that trade, and on my live account, I took the same exact trade for about 10 points. It was this one, the same one. So I got in around here, and then I held it, and then, it started coming down. I was in like a $240 win, and then it started going back up. I was like, fuck, okay. $200 is enough for me. So I had a $199 win today on this account. So, and the withdrawal from Friday, I think, has been approved. So $384. What day was that? That was Friday, right? Yeah. $384 from Friday was finally approved since it's a bank holiday. And they process it next business day. So Monday, if it was not a Veterans Day, I would have already had it today. So yeah, the 384 got approved, so I'm going to be getting that. Already put it towards my credit card, and I have another 536 on that credit card left, and we have $189, so almost $200 on this account already. So good start to a short week. What else? So I want to be able to get at least like $600 from my live account this week. And then I'll be able to pay off that credit card. And next week, hopefully, we've passed our funded, right? With my funded futures, we are only $700 fucking dollars away, guys. 700. I need 700 and no, I need. Wait, how much do I even need? I need 7005. I need $700.50 on this account. I need 755 on this, and then I need 792 on this one. So close, right? So close to passing these funded accounts. All right, it's been a journey, to say the least. So close. Can't celebrate yet, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this crazy calendar. All right? I had one accidental trade. If I hadn't done that, I would have pretty much passed. You know what I mean? Already. Not pretty much. I would have passed the next day. You know? I turned a perfectly good green day into a max loss day. Right? So close. And working all the way back up is insane, you know. This day was tough. Oh yeah, you can see the 2 trades that I took. $250 win across 3 accounts. And oh yeah, I had a little scalp yesterday too, so that's 184. But this day was tough. Calling it good on Friday was tough, knowing that it would be a consolidation day, and you know, like not overdoing it was tough, but it was good because I was able to come back on Monday, saw a good opportunity, and I got off. I got in at the bottom, and I was able to, you know, work my way up from there. So accounts are at the highest point they've ever been, I believe. Oh no, my accounts were higher, a little bit higher, just $13 higher for this one, 77. Yeah, like $20 to $30. So yeah, pretty much almost the amount that my accounts have ever been. So that's some good news, okay? Oh yeah, as you can see from my drawdown, you know, $13, $26, and $27 from the highest they've ever been. So yeah, hopefully I can pass these accounts in the next 3 days. Hopefully, okay? I just need $800, and that's not that hard to get in 3 days. But I don't want to put too much pressure either, because you know, it's really difficult on your mind to be so close to passing and then, you know, taking one step back, you know. And that's what I did. I was like $300 away from passing, and then I lost $500, and it was really bad. It was like $700, and I made $200. But yeah, that was the $500 lost day that I had here. So November 7th on Thursday. So yeah, that's the update, and you know, hopefully I pass these and I'm able to trade funded accounts next week, and I'm going to load up 5 Top Step accounts, so that's something to look forward to. So yeah, stack up these accounts, you know what I mean, and so I can reduce my risk. So even if I make $200 a day, that's multiplied by 9 accounts. That's an $1,800 day win. You know what I mean? And I can focus on that. And then passing those. And I want to have my credit card paid off. That's another reason. So, you know, I can do the activation fees and all that, because it's gonna be big. It's gonna be a $750 activation fee for 5 accounts. So there's that too. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little recap, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for hopefully another successful trading day. All right, think positive, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.